Gmail or phone number from Facebook, especially when it asks you to check WhatsApp messages on your Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your browser and then search for Facebook chat support and tap on the first link. And from here, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right and tap on managing your account. And from here, you want to go ahead and tap on login and password. So here you have to fix a login problem, so tap on it. And here you have different options like recover your Facebook account if you cannot log in. And on this article, you can tap on if you think your account was hacked. And you go back, you see this was it helpful article, just tap on no and tap on other. And right here you can say that you don't have access to your WhatsApp, but you really want to remove your Gmail or phone number from Facebook. And after you send this message, it will create a ticket and send this to Facebook's help and support team. And after that, they should be able to reach back to you within 24 hours or 48 hours and come up with a possible solution. They will contact you through your email, and then you should be able to remove your Gmail or phone number without checking your WhatsApp messages. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.